So now first let me show you how this automation is going to work. So let's say someone sees my ad on their Facebook, they're interested and they fill in this lead form. Instantly their details will be added in this Google Sheets. So as you can see right now we have only two details, but let's just fill in this form. For the first name I'm just going to keep it as dummy right over here. For the last name let's just keep it as lead only. For the email let's keep it as dummy@pabblytunes.com. For the phone number I'm just going to keep the phone number as this, city as Indore only, and the country as India. Now let's just click on this continue and then submit, and we have successfully submitted this form. Let me just open my Google Sheets, and you're going to see within seconds and in real time the details are added right over here in my Google Sheets. Be the name, the email, the phone number or the city. Instantly all the lead details are added right over here without any manual intervention. So this is the magic which we're going to create in today's video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly. Let's see how Facebook leads to Google Sheets integration can be created step by step using Pabbly Connect. So to do this you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of hours free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of hours free means that you can try Pabbly Connect for free, and then if you like it you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we are on the workflow builder and let's see how to create this amazing automation. For that you just have to log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. This is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action on this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Without going into technicalities more, let's just see how this automation can be created. For that you just have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Facebook lead ads. For the event, just choose it as new lead instant and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't followed me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Now you have to make sure that you've logged in your Facebook account before starting with the automation. Otherwise first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account. After you log in your account, then only Pabbly is going to give you the option to click on this continue button. Once you get this option, just click on this continue button and your Facebook lead ads account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Like this, we have successfully created the connection right over here. Now let's just move on further. It is asking me to select the page name. So the name of my Facebook page is the Decor Cabin. So I'm just going to select the same right over here because I want to create this automation for the same. Now for the lead gen form, I'm just going to select the lead gen form for which I want to create this automation. You have to choose the form according to your own choice. Then you have to simply keep the response format as simple and click on this save and send test request. Once we do this, it is saying waiting for webhook response. In order to capture this webhook response, we have to open our lead ads testing tool. So what we're just going to do is we're just going to create the test lead, and in order to create a test lead, open a new tab and search for Meta for Developers. Then open the landing page of Meta for Developers. After you open the landing page of Meta for Developers, go on the resources and then developer tools. After you come on the developer tools, you're going to see all the tools right over here. You just have to scroll and look for lead ads RTO debug tool and open lead ads RTO debug tool, which is your lead ads testing tool. Now you have to choose the same page which you choose in your workflow, and for the product select it as lead retrieval. For the form, choose the same form which you choose in your workflow. Now click on this preview form. You have to fill in this form. Okay, so for the first name I'm just going to keep it as Jane. For the last name, let's keep it as user. For the email, let's keep it as jane@pabblytunes.com. This has the mobile number over here. Now for the city, I'm just going to keep it as Bhopal, and then for the country, let's keep it as India, and let's just move on further. After entering all of these details, I am just going to click on this button which says continue and then submit. We have successfully submitted this lead, so let's just open our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here, which will be the webhook response. response. Once we capture the response, we're just going to simply add the lead details in our Google Sheets, okay, right over here. As you can see, the details are already added because my previous workflow was already switched on. No worries, I'm just going to let you know how you can also add the details. So first of all, you're going to see all the details are captured right over here as the webhook response. Now we're just going to add it in our Google Sheets. For that, click on this add new action step and choose Google Sheets. For the event selected as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to connect your Google Sheets. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us. Now Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. It is asking for the spreadsheets over here. As you can see, this is the name of my spreadsheet and the sheet, so I'm just going to choose the same. Then one by one I'm just going to enter all of these details, but always a hack that we don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. In order to map this data, just put a slash search for the data and then simply map it and click on the save and send test request button. Now Pabbly has received over here the positive response that we have successfully added the details in our Google Sheets. So let me just open my Google Sheets and the details are added right over here. Now like I showed in the starting of this video that whenever someone is going to fill in this lead gen form and submit it, the details will be instantly added right over here in my spreadsheet without any manual intervention. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For a reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.